Hey friends, I'm Stacy.
And I'm Kevin.
And we have a 5x8 cargo camper conversion that we did. You can see it in the back here. It's called the Rescue Wagon. And we outfitted it to do boondocking and camping and whatever kind of camping we chose to do.
So today we're going to talk a little bit about solar. So in the past we've had people ask us about solar and wonder why we didn't have it on there. So actually what we had ordered a battery powered kind of like the generator thing, the Gressel T500, and we wanted to see if it would run our fridge, and it did, which was amazing. So then we realized we could actually hook some solar panels to it and charge it while we're driving and have it actually run the fridge at the same time simultaneously.
That's so fantastic, because I'm always having to think about how much cold stuff can I have and how long are we driving before we're plugging in again, because is it going to get bad?
Yep. So today we're going to kind of go through the motions and see just how well this works while we're on the road. Does it charge good? It's a pretty sunny day today, so that's going to be a good day to test it. And then we'll see if it, how much it keeps the fridge going as we go along, and how much charge we have left when we get to our next stop.
Yeah, because I thought that solar was going to mean that it was kind of like when, you know, you go outside and it's a cloudy day, but you still have to wear sunscreen because the UV lights still get through. Well, apparently that's not the case for solar, at least not for our solar panels. If it's not sunny and if we're not in a place where they're getting direct sunlight, it's not charging and it's not collecting energy or whatever that might be. And
charging the battery pack that runs the fridge. So we're going to see how well it does today, and we're going to let you see so you can decide if this is something for you or not.
Let me introduce you to Coda.
All right, so our solar panels up here are, again, two 100-watt flexible solar panels that we put on with the Eternabond tape, and then we actually went around and used the foil duct tape around the edges because it sticks really, really well to metal. And I'm really glad that I did that because I really like the way that turned out. So I'm not sure if you can see it very well, but we actually have the solar lines coming down in behind the traction boards. So our solar panels connect in with this wire that comes through, comes into this box right here. I'm not sure how well you can see it. It's actually a weatherproof box that goes into the inside. So let's go inside and look and see where it comes in and how it connects. So inside here we've got kind of a section set up for charging all the different things that we need. This is actually a cargo net that goes across the front. What we did is we connected this in through one of the existing screws. We've got a strap on there to hold it into place. You can see where the wires come in, come around, connect in, and right now it is in the process of charging. You can see it's at 90% right now. It says power in 0 watts. So it's sunny outside, but it's not actually charging just yet because the sunlight is not directly overhead, which is a very, very interesting thing. So this is the fridge that it's running. Not a super big fridge, but not too small. And then obviously it will not run the microwave. So this is basically for the fridge. It will actually run our small coffee pot, but it takes about half the charge from the T500 to make a pot of coffee, so it's not a very efficient use. All right, so as we travel today, we're going to continue to look at kind of where the sun's at, and we'll stop and we'll show you where it's charging, how much it's charging. But ultimately, the most important thing is at the end of the day, when we get to our location where we're going, how much charge has it held, and then where are we at in the morning when we leave tomorrow morning, because we need it to run the fridge all night. So we're gonna do all that and show you how well it works.
And did it keep my fridge cold all day long?
All right, so we are at a rest area and the sun is up pretty good in the sky, and right now we have got 103 watts that are coming in we're using 77 and we're at 93%, so it is charging it, continuing to charge it. Now it only pulls when the compressor is on the fridge, but you know, you can see we have 200 watts of solar up top, and also it's only pulling 102, 103, so whatever the solar is, it doesn't nearly do what it says it does. I guess maybe if it's in direct sunlight, but so you need to put more than what you really need to get it to put out that juice. So it's been a couple of hours, so we're going to go inside and see what the solar panel is doing with the charging box here. So let's go in and check it out. It is 98% charged. It is bringing in 101, and right now it's putting out 0 because the compressor on the fridge is not actually running right now. So definitely doing its job. So keeping it charged up.